Unlock the future of visual storytelling by harnessing the power of Leonardo AI for your next video project. First, let's lay the groundwork. Leonardo AI excels at visualizing your ideas. Begin by sketching out your narrative using its intuitive storyboard generation. Input your scene descriptions, camera angles, and action prompts. And watch as Leonardo crafts a visual blueprint for your video. This isn't just about static images. You can guide the AI to suggest sequences, helping you plan your shots and transitions with remarkable efficiency. Next, bring your characters to life. Leonardo AI's character design tools are a game-changer. Describe your ideal protagonist, antagonist, or supporting cast with detailed prompts. Specify their age, ethnicity, attire, and even their emotional state. The AI will then generate a multitude of unique character variations, allowing you to select and refine your perfect cast. You can even upload reference images to guide the AI towards a specific aesthetic. Now, let's dive into generating visual elements for your animation. For animated sequences, think about the motion and style. Describe the action you want to portray. Whether it's a character walking, an object transforming, or a dynamic environmental effect, Leonardo AI can create short, looping video clips that capture key movements. These can be integrated directly or used as inspiration for more complex animations. For enhanced videos, Leonardo AI can create mesmerizing visual effects and abstract sequences that would be time-consuming to produce. Traditionally describe the mood, color palette, and desired movement. For instance, you can ask for ethereal blue and gold particles swirling in slow motion, or a pulsating geometric pattern with vibrant neon hues. These AI-generated clips can add a unique, artistic flair to your videos, elevating your visual narrative. By combining storyboarding, character design, and AI-driven visual generation, Leonardo AI significantly streamlines the video production process. It empowers you to iterate rapidly, explore creative possibilities, and enhance your visual storytelling with stunning AI-powered elements. Start experimenting today and redefine what's possible in video creation.